Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you. Thanks a lot. A nice organizing team. Excellent organization you guys have done. Thanks a lot for the opportunity. So, starting with what control can give all of us. Imagine a situation where your operations are made easy. So, you as a bank just want to focus on your day to day stuff with the limited knowledge, the limited skills, and the limited things which you have inside your banks. How do you optimize that and serve that to all the customers in a greater extent? That's where we come into the picture, making the technology accessible, easy to understand, and easy to adopt for each and every banks present here. Now, coming back to the different vital roles which urban cooperative banks actually plays, we know they are the backbone of the country. They reach to the deepest part of the country, serving different customer segments who doesn't have a credit score or a credibility or just doesn't know what different kinds of paperworks are. Okay, so for those, how your employees can serve, how they can operate. So usually during those operations, we see there are a lot of manual and paper based processes which your team has to take care in regulation with the new compliance changes which RBI is coming day to day, and the auditors are knocking at your doors. Okay, now and then on top of that, based on your different presence in your different geographies, how the same thing would be possible for you to have visible throughout all your branches. And then communication with different departments inside your branches, being a tech branch, a tech department, or your loan department, or let's say your customer service department. So with all these things, we researched the mindset of this cooperative banks, how they operate. We invested on understanding the user experience, what we can bring. So at Control Zoho, we bring all these things into a workflow platform where we expect the bank just to know their operations and the skills what they are good into it. If they knows all those skills, they are good into it, they can come enroll in our product and they can make that easily, intuitively in our user experience with inline with their centralized softwares or whatever the other digitalized softwares they have in line with their legacy systems also. Okay. Now coming back to the different processes which bank might have, like loan approvals, customizations of different KYCs, different region has different needs in their businesses. So some region of the business might need little bit of flexibility than some other regions of the business. How do you map all those things? How do you structure all those things? How do you make those rules into a system where everything the system will take care and automate and give suggestion to your employees who is actually behind the computer or behind the system or behind the handheld mobile devices which they are using day to day in order to serve best to their customers. That's where our solution into automations and customization and the compliance trail, the built-in compliance trail, as well as the real-time dashboards come into the pictures. We have already successfully done a lot of different processes for banks. Few of the key processes which is listed in the presentation are shown here. So now in all those processes, there would be your existing system running. We won't suggest you to change your existing systems. We plug on top of your existing systems to bring an additional layer of digitalization, where we will be able to give you the advanced solution of the SaaS, the technology of the upcoming AI solutions which is coming, and then on top of that, making it compliant, making it secure with what RBI is saying, as well as whatever other banking compliances are there, and provide your end customer a better solution, a better service, which you can leverage and make your operations more successful. Next, we focus only on three major pillars. So whatever the software or the system is envisioned of, it is focused on giving you the solution in the faster possible way. So as I said, you do not have to keep a very big tech team, or you do not have to have a very big technology knowledge or IT knowledge or a computer using skills. If you know your process today, if you know how the things happens, if you know how you take the decisions out of it, you will able to map that in the software, in the system, within the UX, just by simply drag and drop, and with if-else rules kind of a thing. Okay. With that, you will be getting a simpler solutions, effective solutions which runs across all of your operations, and along with your digital banking solutions, which is currently available in your current banking systems. Now, the major challenges, if you see, which we are trying to solve, is basically overcoming the manual processes and bringing into various different automations at different level. When I speak about automations, automations are not only in the human level. Automations might be in the system level as well. How do today, based on certain criteria, you do a automatic approval of a loan? Or how do your customer comes, gives a KYC document, and you automatically checks ki, okay, whatever documents he has given is correct or not, whether his PAN card is correct or not, whether he has some other histories or not. So those are all the things which we bring into the table. With this, as you can see, the model cooperative bank, urban bank CEO is already using that. They have implemented this solution, and they have appreciated us to, after implementation, that we are in compliant with RBI, and all the processes are running smooth inside their banks. Now, for more understanding of whatever the challenges you guys have, and to better cater you and understand your divisions or your knowledges further, we would like you to invite in booth number 47, just right side towards this end. You can reach out to us. We'll able to hear you guys, and we'll able to collaborate you guys and provide a good solutions. Thank you. Thanks everyone.